Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for taking the time to watch this earwax removal video. I know that's what people love. We'll keep bringing you the content. Our first patient has a large glob of wax at the bottom of their ear canal. We can still see past it, so the eardrum is not completely occluded. We're going to use the curette or Jobson horn to pull the wax out, revealing a clear ear canal and a healthy appearing eardrum. Quick and easy, we love when they happen like that. On the other side, it appears that they're a victim of Q-tipping. As you look at the wax, you can see the indentation of the end of the Q-tip in the wax. Again, we're going to use that same curette to remove the wax, revealing a clear, healthy eardrum. Sorry to interrupt this earwax removal video. I want to talk to you about diabetes. Did you know that 70% of diabetics between the age of 50 and 69 suffer from hearing loss? That's much higher than their non-diabetic counterparts. For more information, click the link in the description below to watch the video about the link between diabetes and hearing loss. On to our next patient. This one has a large boulder in the ear. As we start removing this wax, you're going to see it start to roll towards the aperture or opening of the ear canal. Let's see if we can't get it to roll all the way out, collecting as much of the wax as possible all at once. It's coming slowly but surely. As you can see, it didn't all come, but a large chunk moved to the opening. Now we're going to get behind that piece as well and finish this removal. We're almost there. Okay, let's take a look at what came out. That is truly a large chunk of wax. Now we can see a healthy appearing eardrum, ear canal, everything's all clean. On to the other side. Now this side is not nearly as bad. You can see a little bit of hair and wax mingled together there. We're just going to scrape the sides to remove it, especially since we already did this patient's opposite ear. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really lets us know what content you're enjoying, and we really do appreciate it. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Again, like and subscribe, and let's keep cleaning those ears.